All right, did you know that you don't need to clean up your PC manually or use third-party software? Microsoft already offers a free tool that meets all your needs. Microsoft built a free tool that combines a one-click PC cleanup, deep storage analysis, startup management, process monitoring, large file detection, duplicate scanning, deep uninstall, and a full Windows security dashboard, all in a single app available right now in the Microsoft Store. Welcome back. Today, we're doing a complete walkthrough of Microsoft PC Manager, Microsoft's own free PC optimization and cleanup application available from the Microsoft Store. Microsoft PC Manager is a free, official application from Microsoft, not a third party, not an acquisition, built and maintained directly by Microsoft. It's available in the Microsoft Store on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Open the Microsoft Store, search for PC Manager, and look for the result published by Microsoft Corporation. The blue Microsoft Verified badge confirms it's the official app. The app is currently being rolled out gradually. If you can't find it in the Microsoft Store, go to Settings, then Time and Language, and select United States as your country or region. You'll then be able to find the app in the store. Click Get to install it. The download takes under a minute. When you open PC Manager for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen with two checkboxes already enabled. Uncheck both of them before clicking Get Started. Checkbox 1, Start PC Manager automatically when you sign in to Windows. There's no reason to have this running in the background constantly. It's a cleanup tool, not a background service. Checkbox 2, Reset default settings for Windows. This sounds harmless, but it includes resetting your default browser back to Microsoft Edge. After unchecking both, click Get Started. Now, let's explore what the app actually offers. The PC Manager home screen gives you an immediate dashboard showing your current memory usage and the amount of temporary files on your system. These two numbers update in real time and give you a quick at-a-glance health check without opening anything else. The large Boost button in the center is the one-click cleanup function. Clicking it does two things simultaneously. It clears temporary files to recover drive space, and it terminates unused background processes that are consuming RAM without you actively using them. Is this something you could do manually? Yes, you could go to Settings, Storage, Temporary Files, and remove them there. Then open Task Manager and end processes one by one. But clicking a single button is faster, and for users who don't know where to find those settings, it's genuinely helpful. Smart Boost is the automated version. Open Settings in PC Manager and enable Smart Boost. When enabled, PC Manager will automatically trigger a boost when RAM usage gets critically high or when temporary files exceed 1 GB. This is particularly useful on machines with 8 or 16 GB of RAM, where reclaiming even 1 to 2 GB makes a noticeable difference. One honest note: if you have 32 or 64 GB of RAM and a fast NVMe SSD with plenty of free space, the boost function won't produce a dramatic difference. This feature is most impactful on mid-range and older hardware where resources are genuinely constrained. Click Health Check. PC Manager will run a quick scan of your system and surface a set of recommended changes. Review each item carefully before clicking Proceed, and I mean actually read them. Health Check often includes suggestions that sound helpful but are actually Microsoft pushing its own products. Common examples: default settings can be restored. Uncheck this if you use a different browser or default apps. Usage traces to be cleaned. Check this to clean up. Click Optimize Now. You can rescan the PC if you need to optimize things further. You can scroll down to explore the other features for yourself. The standard Boost button handles surface-level temporary files. Deep Cleanup goes significantly further, and this is where most people recover the most storage. Find Deep Cleanup in the main navigation. It's either on the home screen or under the Storage section. Click it and let it scan. Deep Cleanup surfaces categories that the basic Boost doesn't touch. Application caches, accumulated cache data from installed applications. On a machine where you have Steam, Epic Games, Spotify, browsers, and other apps installed, these caches can collectively consume several gigabytes. System files, Windows Update remnants, error logs, thumbnail caches, and other system-generated files that are safe to remove. Browser caches, temporary internet files from Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and other installed browsers. When the scan results appear, you'll see each category listed with its size. This is where you make informed decisions. Click to expand each category and review what's inside before checking or unchecking it. Things safe to remove: application update packages, browser cache, Windows Update cleanup files, error reports, system temporary files. Things to be careful with: anything labeled downloads, review before deleting. Some applications store configuration data in locations that PC Manager flags. Read the description before removing. On a machine that hasn't been cleaned recently, Deep Cleanup recovering 10 to 20 gigabytes in a single pass is common. In one example we tested, it identified over 15 gigabytes of removable items, including 1.3 gigabytes of old NVIDIA driver update files that were completely safe to delete. Click Process in the navigation. This shows all currently running processes sorted by memory usage, highest at the top. This is functionally similar to Task Manager's Processes tab, but with a simpler interface. You can see which processes are consuming the most RAM right now and end any you don't need with a single click on End. For users unfamiliar with Task Manager, this is a more approachable interface for the same function. For power users who already live in Task Manager, this doesn't add much beyond convenience. The main practical use: if you notice your PC feeling slow and want a quick view of what's consuming memory without navigating to Task Manager, this gets you there in one click from the PC Manager home screen. Click Startup in the navigation. This shows every application configured to launch automatically when Windows starts, identical to the list in Task Manager's Startup Apps tab. What PC Manager adds beyond Task Manager is suggestions. Next to each startup entry, PC Manager indicates whether it recommends leaving it enabled or disabling it, based on the startup impact and how commonly the application needs to run at boot. These suggestions aren't always perfect. You should still make your own judgment, but they provide useful context for users who see an unfamiliar entry and aren't sure whether it's safe to disable. Toggle off anything you don't need running immediately at startup. The fewer startup entries you have enabled, the faster Windows loads and the lower your initial RAM usage when you first reach the desktop. Click the Storage tab in the left navigation panel. This is where PC Manager's most comprehensive storage tools live. Downloaded files scans your Downloads folder and presents everything there sorted by size. Review the list and remove files you no longer need: old installers, extracted archives, files you downloaded once and forgot about. On most machines, the Downloads folder is one of the biggest hidden storage consumers. Large files. Click this and select your drive. PC Manager scans for and lists the largest files on your system, sortable by size and file type. This is the fastest way to find the files consuming the most space. To delete anything, click the file and select the trash icon. A confirmation prompt appears. Click Permanently Delete to confirm. Duplicate files scans for files with identical content stored in multiple locations. This is particularly effective for photo collections, where the same image has been copied to multiple folders over the years. Warning for the duplicate files feature. If you're a photographer, videographer, or anyone who deliberately maintains multiple copies of files for backup or organizational purposes, review every duplicate group carefully before deleting. PC Manager shows you both copies and their locations. Keep the copy in the most logical location and delete the redundant one. Never blindly delete all duplicates. Storage Sense integration. At the bottom of the Storage tab, there's a direct link to configure Windows' built-in Storage Sense. Enabling this gives you automatic scheduled cleanup on top of the manual tools PC Manager provides. Click the Apps tab, then Deep Uninstall. This is one of the most genuinely useful features in PC Manager that most people don't know about. When you uninstall a program through Windows' standard Settings, Apps, Installed Apps path, the uninstaller removes the main application files, but frequently leaves behind residual data, registry entries, configuration files in app data, leftover folders in program files, and orphaned startup entries. Deep Uninstall handles all of this in one pass. Select the application you want to remove, click the trash icon, and PC Manager runs the standard uninstaller followed by a scan for and removal of all leftover registry entries and residual files. The result is a genuinely clean removal. No orphaned registry bloat, no leftover folders consuming space, which is something Windows' standard uninstall has never done well. For users who frequently install and uninstall software, this feature alone makes PC Manager worth having. The Protection tab consolidates several security-related functions that are otherwise scattered across Windows. Virus Scan launches Windows Defender for a quick security scan without navigating to Windows Security. Windows Update Check verifies whether updates are pending without opening settings. Default App Settings Review shows your current default browser, search engine, and other default application settings, so you can verify nothing has been changed without your knowledge. Taskbar Repair to restore the taskbar appearance if you made any changes and want to go back. Restore Default Apps to reset default apps to open files and links. Pop-up Management to block pop-up windows and apps. Network Check tests your connection speed and troubleshoots network issues. The Toolbox tab provides quick shortcuts to built-in Windows utilities, Calculator, Screenshot Tool, Notepad, Currency Converter, and others. Think of it as a customizable quick launch panel for the tools you use most often. Microsoft PC Manager, free, official, well-designed, and genuinely useful for regular Windows maintenance. Install it, uncheck those two settings on first launch, run a deep cleanup today to see what's been sitting on your drive, and keep it as a monthly maintenance tool going forward. If this video helped you find something useful on your PC, drop a comment with how much storage Deep Cleanup recovered. I'm always curious what numbers people see on machines of different ages. A like and a subscribe helps the channel, and I post practical Windows guides like this every day. Thanks for watching.